So this is how to create a local currency account on Exness. So you go to your Exness and you go to open your account. So I chose the standard. So you go to next. So this is a place where you actually change your currency. Like I want to change to a local account, like a Naira account. So if you are in Saudi, you can do a Saudi Riyal, Singapore dollar, Thai baht, Ukrainian hryvnia, Ugandan shilling. You know, you have it in USD, or you have also the Uzbekistan song, Vietnamese dong, Sefe, South African rand. You know, so I just look for my local currency. So you see the Omani Riyal, Philippine Peso, Pakistani. So you look for your local currency at this stage. This is the point where you change it. So now I'm looking for the Nigerian Naira, and this is what I do. I'll change to Nigerian Naira. The account is still standard. There is also a nickname, so I can change it if I like. I can call this one Naira account. I can tell it that it's a Naira account. So once I do that, I can also change it to Naira account, as you see here, and then I can now go ahead. I can go ahead to change it here to a Naira account. So you can see the leverage 1 to 2,000. Or I like to leave it in 1 to unlimited. For you to be able to change it 1 to unlimited, you actually needed to have used the Exness for a while. As you see in this, my own drop down. So I have the option. If you have the option for unlimited, you actually have to change to 1 to 2,000. So it just shows the kind of risk you can leverage on, kind of leverage you can use. So that's I put unlimited, you understand. So you have to pay attention to that. And of course I will choose my trading password here. So I'll get to choose my trading password. So I get to choose my trading password. So you go ahead, you change your password, you take your trading password. So let's say I want to change it. So I can say I can change to anything I want to change it to. So I pause here to change my trading password or to enter my trading password. Okay. So after changing my trading password, I'll tell it to create the account. So you see all the fields have been filled. The main field which I want to change here is a Naira account. Know that I already have my other accounts as well. But then I change my partner. I'll also show you how to change your partner in Exness. So, but then in another video. So, but for this video is how to create a local currency account. In this case, a Naira account. Okay. So for those who are in other countries, remember you can choose your country accounts. You can see Omani Riyal, Pakistani rupee if you're Pakistan, Singapore dollar, Ugandan shilling if you're in Uganda. If you're in South Africa, you do South African rand. You can choose any of your Kenyan shillings if you're in Kenya, Indian rupee if you're in India, Chinese yuan, renminbi, Brazilian real. You can see all the local currency accounts there. If you are in the UAE, you can use your dirham as well. But I chose the Nigerian Naira account here. Okay, so all done here. I'll just click create account. Create account because I'm saving my password. So that's created my account. As it has created my account, this is the new Naira account here, and I can go ahead to copy my account. I can copy my account, my details, so I can log on into MT5. Okay, so I copy this. So with this, we have come to the end of this. If I want to check the account details, I have to click these 3 buttons and just show me account information. Okay, so I don't need to disclose here. So I hope you found this useful. Remember to share, like, and also subscribe to this channel for more trading tips, okay, for newbies and for intermediate traders. Bye for now.